King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. We're gonna jump right into today's video using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with a 2.4 ounce gloss base. I'm just trying to get the perfect consistency for this gloss. I only used 2.4 ounces of gloss base from Get Suckered, so I just started off by adding 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, and I'm going to eventually add 1 more, so 2 tablespoons of coconut oil was just enough for 2.4 ounces of gloss base. And as you can see, I only have 6 squeeze tubes laid out because I don't plan on selling this gloss. I plan on giving it away for free, as I love to do, give freebies away to my sexy Lexy babes. So yes, that's just a little heads up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my polyisobutene. Polyisobutene is great for giving the gloss extra shine. I'm going to add my cheesecake flavoring oil from Get Suckered because I am trying to make a strawberry cheesecake swirl lip gloss. Now I'm going to go ahead and give that all a nice mix. This gloss base is smelling so delicious with this cheesecake flavoring. Oh my gosh, if only you guys were in the room with me. I'm going to go ahead and add my yummy pink lip liquid and my yellow pigment lip liquid from TKB Trading. So I'm really trying something different, and I'm trying to be unique and think outside the box. So my plan was to just squeeze a little bit of the yellow and the pink and mix it a little bit, but not all the way, to get that swirl effect. And I wanted to see how that would come out. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. A close-up on how the gloss turned out. It's pretty, it looks abstract, but I don't really think that this is how I thought it was gonna turn out, and that's okay. I'm human, I make mistakes. I was trying to be creative, and maybe this just wasn't it. So I'm gonna fill some tubes and see how it looks inside the tubes and see if it's cute in there. So let's just see how this goes. Here's a close-up of how it looks in the syringe. It's still pretty and still abstract looking, but it's not really giving me strawberry cheesecake like I was trying to get. It's giving me more of burnt orange. So I want you guys to let me know what you think of this gloss in the comments. I was going to give them away for free to some customers, obviously, but I don't really think anybody will want these. And that's okay. I only made about 6, so I didn't use that much gloss base. I didn't really waste that much of my money, but this is giving me fail, and I'm really shocked because I really thought that it was going to be like something really cute, but that's okay. It didn't turn out how I wanted it to. But if you still want this gloss and you make an order with me, just put in the notes section strawberry cheesecake, and if they're not all gone, then you will get it in your package. babe. So I'm going to cut into this video really quickly to tell you guys about this amazing stuff that Miss Pretty Slayy Boutique sent me in my P.O. box. Her Instagram is Pretty Slayy Boutique, so make sure you guys check her out. But this is a pretty little card that she got me with my package. Her business card is so cute. It's like a credit card. VIP baddies only, period. Okay. So the first thing she got, well, the first thing that I saw when I opened my package was this cute Hennessy outfit. Hold on. This is the top. It's like a Hennessy sports bra. I actually wore this last night because it was so cute and comfortable, and it came with these shorts. I'm flattered that you think I'm a small boo, but I cannot fit these shorts. I am not small. But I fit this top because, you know, my boobies are not that big, so I fit the small top. But these shorts, I haven't even tried them on because I feel like I don't think my booty getting into this boo. But it's really, really cute. And she also got me this purple visor. I thought was so cute. So that way I don't have to wear my mask, okay? Which I think this is cute. And she also got me some blue shades. These match my shirt actually. And I actually have some shades like this, my motorsport shades in blue. So I already have a pair like this. But you know, super cute. I'm so grateful that she sent me this. And then she also sent me this like goodie bag that come with lashes, lip gloss, and tweezers, and all the necessities, and even a makeup remover wipe. I thought this was so cute and professional. I love it. This is how the lashes look. It's so cute. You know, I love me some lashes in the style Cocoa. Okay. Then I got a nude gloss, a brown gloss, a peach gloss, and a clear gloss. So I got 4 glosses. I'm really excited about that. Let's try on the, this look like what I made on my channel. So she must be a sexy Lexy babe. So I'm gonna try on the peach one. Smells really good. Smells really, really good. Let's try it on. Love it. It smells really good. And then she wrote me a little note. She said, "Hey sexy Lexy, my name is Kanisha. I am the CEO of Pretty Slayy Boutique. I hope you love the goodies I sent you. I have a boutique business and I sell wholesale lip gloss." So she does sell wholesale lip gloss. So you guys check her out. And lip glosses and lip scrubs and onesies and more. Thank you so much. So yes, Miss Kanisha, thank you so much for sending me this stuff. If anybody else wants to send me anything to my P.O. box, the link is always in the description. Everything I use in my videos, where you can send me stuff. If you want to collab with me and work with me, any brand deals, my email and all of that is always in the description, okay? So let's get right back into the video. So after filling the tubes, this is how the squeeze tubes came out. Again, it was supposed to be like a strawberry cheesecake swirl type of lip gloss, but it's given like a dark, deep, burnt orange color lip gloss. Now I'm going to show you a swatch of the gloss. Again, I obviously did not mix the pigments all the way because I was trying to get like a swirl effect, but I still want to give you an arm swatch and a lip swatch just so that you can see all aspects of this lip gloss. you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I hope you still enjoyed it, even though it didn't go as planned. Again, if you want one of these, just let me know. And if not, I will take that L and just throw them away. I hope you guys have a blessed, prosperous day. And I love you guys always.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.